This is a first impressions bowl mold that I'm going to use for the laces to kind of cheat. So I've already put white fondant in there, popped it in the freezer, and then you flex the mold. And then you pull this out. Okay, and this way I can still bend it because it's still soft. I just got black on it. And then just pop a little water here and here. And we'll do the little shoelace. Okay. They will get kind of sticky, so if you're going to color them with dusting powders, wait till they dry. But you can position them in whatever shape you want and then let them dry and attach them later if you want. Okay, so I've got a big, pretty good-sized piece of fondant here, black, kneaded up, and then roll it at if my hands are at an angle, I can roll it here so it's thicker on one end and thinner on the other end. And I want to go from here to right on top of that. So it's about there. What I need to do is thin out this end so I can like tuck it under there. So a little water.
It's a little hard to see because it's black fondant on your black shirt. There you go.
Yeah, and
That's
on the
okay.
blackboard too,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So a little water there, a little water here. Yeah, just tell me like that and we'll take care of it for you. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I just want to pinch his cheeks. Is that not adorable?
That is, in fact,
Are
adorable.
they saying no, actually?
No, it's adorable. So the bottom book says Encyclopedia of Life, and the top, on the spine of the top book says, or it's actually on the side of the book, Walking Encyclopedia.
Yeah, because you can't really see the back of this. You could certainly put it here also and do the detail. I was saving time by not doing it and just doing, because a picture you'd kind of see this side, take it from that side.
Yep.
Okay, so second leg. I think I need to move this over this one. I actually thought of it yet. I had another idea for a graduation cake. That's why I picked graduation. And I couldn't remember what it was. Can you believe that? Should have written it down. And then this popped into my head last night. So, he's so cute. Okay, now he needs to have some arms and some little hands. So what we'll do is actually do red arms and then black hands so that it'll show up here, the black, because I'm going to have him kind of holding the edge there, I think. So I'll take some of the red ball, and it's basically the same shape as the legs there. This is that piece that's dry, but it's just a little smaller. Okay, now to get something like a little bit thicker like this to stay, what you can do on the real cake is take a skewer like this here and actually push it. And it's great if you actually know where that cake board is. If you could do it right above the cake board, that's awesome. So you could measure that ahead of time. But if you take a skewer and actually put it all the way through the cake so that just a little bit sticks out on each side, that will work great to help that stay on. What I'm going to do is, since I don't want to go through all of the styrofoam, I'm just going to cut here. And I'll do it over here, just so there's a little something there to see. I would never do that on a cake that you're going to serve, just a little piece like that, because they could eat that, right? Needs to go all the way through. So everyone hear that? I want to hear you say yes.
Okay.
Okay. Are they out there? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? How do I do it? All the way through the cake, no little pieces, right? Right.
Yes. They're all saying yes.
Okay.
Got it.
Promise. I don't want to visit anyone in jail.
Awesome.
I'm going to leave that there. I might end up
All the
cutting
way
that
through.
off.
They say yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom. That's right. I may end up cutting that off. It depends what I want to do. If I want him hold, I was thinking I was going to have him hold a small diploma. But I'm just going to kind of see what I like. Yeah, that's right. See what I like. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Second
just-
piece. It's
That's
cute, huh?
Just really cute. Yeah.
And if it's for a girl, because this is more looks boyish to me. You could, I think it does. You could give
Yeah.
her some little locks though, maybe some, if she's blonde, little blonde locks. Or even just adding like roses around the
Eyelashes?
sides. Yeah, eyelashes instead of eyebrows. That would work. So, can definitely look, for either.